This month, we're covering the credit memo feature. We have a receipt here. It's a total of $1,000. The 2 invoices that the customer is paying only total $871. After looking over the payment receipt, we've determined that this was an overpayment mistake. Now, we can't finalize the receipt as is. We could distribute the extra $129 to this invoice. That would leave the credit balance on this invoice in particular. Or we could put the extra $129 on a different invoice. This would reduce the balance of this invoice, and we'd need to let our customer know. How about recording their payment exactly as is, and we create a dedicated credit memo for the additional $129? You have to turn on a setting in order to do this. In Receipts Preferences, just mark this option here. Now let's go back and finalize that receipt. We do want to create a credit memo. We can add a couple of notes or comments here for the credit memo record we're about to create. And this last prompt just tells us the booking number that was created. Our receipt was able to finalize. Let's go check out that credit memo. These are stamped as credit memos in the bottom left-hand corner, and they carry that extra overpayment balance on all accounts receivable reports. We can work with these records just like any other credit balance. You can net together credit balances with positive balances on any receipt entry, including a $0 receipt if you just want to clear them out. Or you can create a billing adjustment by using this tool. Just select the customer, the credit memo, and distribute it to any open balance. This is reflected as a billing adjustment on all AR reports. That's it for this month's tips. Search for credit memos in the knowledge base for more information.